Today's video is all about friendship. It's about hobbies. It's about a community. It's about things we like to do. Welcome. My name is Anita. I'm a Dutch-Kiwi and I have a YouTube channel. And it's fun to do things with friends, especially those that live close by. It's also fun to meet new friends and show them places they may not have seen, like Kinderdijk, which is not far from where I live. So, being in a YouTube community, I get to meet all sorts of people, and sometimes I even get to take them to Kinderdijk. Like Alice from Alice Goes Travel and Alice's Transport. Oh, she's got two lovely channels that you might enjoy. Go and pop over and have a look. And when Alice was here, we visited Kinderdijk and Dordrecht City. We had a fantastic day and it was lovely to actually meet her in person. Bye Alice, it was lovely having you here and I hope you come back again for another visit. And then there was Paul. Paul, the hiking hermit. Although he's not much of a hermit really. He does like his own company, but he also enjoys those of fellow YouTubers. And he paid me a visit. We went to Kinderdijk, we went into town. He even had dinner at our place. And then off he went. So it was lovely to actually meet people face to face and find even more things that you have in common. And the fun didn't stop there. We drove to Den Haag and picked up Dara and Ian from Magenta Otter Travels. It was such a lovely day. We drove a tourist drive all the way down to Dordrecht where we live and spent the day together. Ian and Leen went for a bike ride and Dara and I chatted on the balcony. They even stayed for dinner and the next day we met up in Gouda. What a lovely couple. Check out their channel. They'd love to see you. And have you met Anna and Steve from Gators on Tour? They're touring America at the moment and they go all over the place. It's one of those couples that decided to sell up their home, live in their camper and travel the world. They do have a set place where they put their head every now and then, but you know, they just get to the most fantastic places. Great channel, much fun, much hilarity, and we had a great day in Rotterdam. And on our recent road trip to England, we met some more people. This time I was on their turf instead of them coming to the Netherlands. Now, let's see who they were. Good morning, it's Sunday, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to be warming up some Dutch waffles, and guess who's going to help me eat them? Hello there, who's this?
Hello, I'm Millionaire Paul from the channel Millionaire Paul, and we've popped by to see Anita, who is staying in a holiday cottage in Wales, and we're staying on a campsite about 5 miles away, so how could we not?
And so we're going to share coffee and get to know each other better.
Yeah, and our wives and husbands have met each other. They don't like to be on camera.
They're over there doing their thing, and we're here doing ours.
Oh, Anita's so lovely. She's just as nice in the real world as she is on camera.
So here we go. Right, time for coffee. What an absolutely gorgeous couple. And you know, they even brought me flowers. Wasn't that sweet? We had so many laughs and it was over far too soon. But how lovely to meet some of these people that I've felt like I've known for quite some time. It was an enjoyable morning. Wait, there's more. There's someone else I'd like you to meet. His name is Paul and his wife's name is Kim. Yes, from Wandering Watho. Oh, look, what a lovely day we had. Steam train all the way to Broadway and then a walk around in Broadway itself. You'll get to see the video eventually. But you know, I just want to say thank you to the YouTube community, to all those who would have liked to have met, but you know, we just didn't have time for. So thank you for your generosity, for your kind smiles, your wonderful words, your encouragement, and just simply for being you. And for those of you I haven't met yet. If you're in the neighbourhood, give us a buzz and we might be able to meet up and have some fun time together. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your support. To all the channels that I've mentioned, I'll put their links below. And, see you next time. Bye for now.